Hey guys, it's Jax. Backpack Girl and I are going for a hike, and we thought you might like to come along with us.
Snow is gone. We're going to rescue Backpack Girl's sunglasses that she dropped down the snowbank in the winter. There we go. There you go. Hang on to them this time, okay?
They're dirty.
Yeah, well, they spent the whole winter in a snowbank. Yeah, look. The swans are here today. Yeah, geese and mallards and some swans.
2 swans.
Yeah.
Okay, please, some nuts.
Some peanut? Get your peanuts out of your pack if you want to. You drop them again. Maybe those sunglasses aren't meant to be yours. Jeepers. Right, put it down. Put it down right there. Alright.
Got my stick up there.
Snack time. You're eating the birds' peanuts? Yeah, how are they? Are they good? Alright. You're not going to have any left to feed to the birds. Squirrels, so chipmunks. Hello, little bird. Nope, that's a dove. That's a mourning dove. Those are the kind of birds in our backyards that sound like owls. So what happened to this? What happened to that, do you think?
I don't know.
Beaver.
Beaver.
And beaver chewed it. Wood chips down here. Hey, it's been down for a long time though. The log is gone. The tree's gone. Do you hear that?
Yeah.
That's a woodpecker over there. We'll go see if we can find it. No? Alright, let's go find a spot for lunch.
Look at my 3 eyes.
Yeah. Alright. Yeah, we'll follow the trail down here and we'll see if we can find a spot for lunch. There you go. It's okay, don't move. Don't move. Put your hand back out and don't move. It's not going to hurt you. He's not going to hurt you. Just tickles a little bit, remember? Put your hand back. Okay, I'll do it.
There's a woodpecker. Mommy, I found a woodpecker there.
It is a woodpecker. Woodpecker. That's a woodpecker, and that's a chickadee right down there. Oh, it's okay. It's a woodpecker. He tried to land on your hand. That's super cool. Look at him. Woodpecker and chickadees.
The woodpecker's so smart.
Don't throw it out there and see if he'll eat it. I don't know.
Woodpecker.
He took it.
He took it.
He took it. He took your peanut. He's going to sit over there and peck at it. Oh, took it behind the tree. There's another one. There's 2 of them on that tree now.
Look at him.
Alright, I'm going to try to be brave. Look at him. He's big. That second one is really big.
What second
There's
one?
our little guy right there. The first one.
Mm-hmm.
The second one that came in is much bigger than him.
That one?
The second one that's over there.
Oh, yeah.
Super cool. Let's let them go back to the wood. Super cool. You had a woodpecker on your finger. Very cool. You're so brave. High five. That's my girl. Put your hand out. Put your hand out. Oh, don't. Oh, chicken. Yeah, I know. I'm scared of birds too. I'm not making fun of you. Especially when they move around so quickly. Want to hold my hand? Alright.
I found Spot. Over here.
Over in there.
Yeah. We need you to sit.
Oh. What happened to this tree, do you think?
A beaver.
A beaver. I think maybe. Those are pretty big chunks off of there. Pretty big beaver?
Yeah.
Yeah? Let's go see what else we can find.
Big teeth.
That's right, they have big teeth, and they have to keep chewing because their teeth never stop growing.
Why?
If they stop chewing, their teeth will get so big they wouldn't be able to go anywhere because they just have huge teeth. So don't get too close to the edge, okay? That's a really big fall down there, and that water is still frozen, and I have no way to get you out of there. Okay, if you look over there, you can see the water is moving, so there's a current in here. Probably a good place to drown. So let's stay away from the edge, okay? Alright. What?
Deer poop.
Deer poop, yeah. That's a whole bunch of it. Good spotting. Let's see if we can find some tracks. Okay? Maybe we can find them. Maybe we can find their bed. Yeah, let's keep following the trail. Right up there. In that tree up there. You just see his bushy tail sitting on the branch.
I've seen
Yeah, there he is. He would really like some peanuts, I bet. Wanna leave him some? Leave him some. Alright. He's getting closer. He's on this tree right up here staring at me. Dead on right now.
yummy peanut.
Alright. That's good. That's good. We'll leave him there for him, and we'll get hiking. Any birch bark down here? Hey, it's still got wood in it. You take that out of there. There you go. There's some tinder for your tinder kit.
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo. Pardon me? Pardon me?
Is this milkweed?
That is milkweed. Butterflies really like milkweed. And we can use this fluffy stuff inside here. This stuff. We can use it for our campfires. Why don't you get out your tinder bag with your birch bark and we'll put some milkweed in it too. Put some of that in there. Well, if you look inside these old ones, sometimes they've just got fluffy stuff in them. Oops. Right, so you just grab some fluff and put it in there. Look at this one. This one's still loaded. See that? Hey, it's still got all of its stuff in there. Pull that dead part off. Pull that dead part off and stick this part in your bag. Open your bag. Stick that in there. Nice. Come and check this out. Good. We're in a birch forest. And the cool thing about birch forest is you don't have to take birch bark off the tree. You can almost always just find it on the ground. Take it. Go add it to your kit. Water break.
Do I still have my Easter egg?
We're back to the car. Was that a good hike?
Yeah.
Yeah, did you have fun?
Yeah.
All right. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.